This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Mazda CX-9 safely and efficiently. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial step prevents any accidental movement. Gather your necessary tools, including a sturdy jack, 2 reliable jack stands, and your vehicle's owner's manual for specific details. Next, it is vital to locate the correct jacking points on your Mazda CX-9. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact manufacturer-recommended spots. Generally, the front jacking points are located near the front suspension crossmember, while the rear points are often found on the rear axle or reinforced frame rails. Using incorrect points can cause significant damage to your vehicle's undercarriage or suspension system, so be very careful. With the jack points identified, carefully position your jack directly underneath one of the designated points. Ensure the jack saddle makes full contact with the vehicle's frame. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure it lifts evenly and stably. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is approximately 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Always keep clear of the vehicle while it is being raised. After lifting, immediately place 2 sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame, adjacent to your jack point, for maximum safety. Slowly lower the vehicle until it rests securely on the jack stands. When your work is finished, slightly raise the vehicle with the jack to relieve pressure from the stands. Carefully remove the jack stands, then slowly and smoothly lower your Mazda CX-9 completely back onto the ground. Remove the wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.